Hi everyone, my name is Vivienne, but you can call me Viv. So, I am the stock curious person, kaya ako gumagawa ng video na to. So, I'm the type of person who enjoys little things like reading, doing calligraphy, listening to music, petting my cats and my dogs. And also, as you can see, actually kakagaling ko lang sa run kanina. So, I like staying active, like running, swimming, and badminton. But, hindi po ako magaling sa lahat ng mga bagay na yun. Just like doing things. And, yes, I like and I enjoy learning new things and learn more from them along the way. And to be honest, I've only watched 2 episodes of Survivor Philippines. So that was 2000 something pa. Sobrang tagal na panahon pa. But that's the reason why I'm here. Na even though it's scary kasi hindi ko naman din alam kung paano maglaro and anything about that. But I am here to learn more about myself, to be in a situation na unfamiliar for me. So I can discover who I really am. And actually, way back in college, I am the organizer because I'm part of the org officer ako. We get to organize team buildings. But the thing is, hindi man kami participant. So, this survivor thing would help me na ako naman maging participant this time. And yun, like I've mentioned, I want to get to know myself more. And hopefully by joining in this survivor, I will learn more about myself and be in a situation and familiar situation and enjoy and learn more about myself.